Forests are carbon stocks because it's part of their life cycle. They contain carbon in their leaves, in their trunks. But how do they obtain this carbon? It's part of the global carbon cycle. And when we as humans produce carbon dioxide through our daily activities like driving in cars, riding in airplanes, cutting down trees, this produces carbon dioxide and it puts it into the atmosphere. And the tree is part of the process of transferring that carbon from the atmosphere back into the soil, back into the ecosystem. And this is partly done through the process of photosynthesis, in which at the leaf surface there will be a sort of a transaction that takes place where carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the tree and oxygen will be emitted. What does the tree do with this carbon? Well, part of it is for the tree's growth, especially for younger trees, enabling them to grow. And in this case, they become carbon stocks. Tropical forests are thought to stock the carbon at a higher rate, and the largest forest would be Amazonia, the second largest, the Congo Basin, and then the third largest would be in Indonesia. But we also know that carbon stocks are also to be found in the boreal forests, which are in northern Canada and Russia. But it's not just trees that are a part of this cycle, it's also other types of vegetation like mangroves, peatlands, and we can also even say the soil. We should not forget that a third of those emissions also are absorbed by the soil itself.